In this video, we're going to show you how to diagnose the power cord on your dryer. So to test your dryer cord, you're going to want to be able to check continuity. And to do that, ideally you want to be using a multimeter. This particular one is a digital one, and it has the feature where you can get a setting where it's going to give you an audible signal when your circuit is when you have continuity through the circuit. So in other words, when I touch my two probes together, it's going to make a beeping sound. Others that may just be a regular analog, you'd put the leads together and you would see a needle swing back or forth to let you know whether your circuit's complete or not. But once you have your meter, whichever one you're using, it's very easy to test your dryer cord. You're just going to basically be taking each individual wire at the end where it goes into your machine and checking where it comes back through your cord and out to plug into the wall. So the first one I always start with is the ground one, which is either this will be green or it'll be copper in color. And there's our completed circuit. So we know that our ground wire is fine. We'll go with the white wire next. And it's fine. Red and black will be these outside ones. So this cord checks fine. If in doing that test, you select the wire you're trying to trace and you touch any one of those and you're not getting a connection, then that cord is bad and would have to be replaced. The other thing you'll want to look at is on your cord is, especially up here at the head where we're plugged into your wall, just wiggle it back and forth to make sure there's no cracks or splits. If there is, it should be replaced. As well, you'll want to look at the prongs themselves. And just look, especially on these two large spade type, just to look to see if there's any arc marks on it or pits or discolored, as well as where they mount through and come out of this rubber mold. Look to see if that rubber looks like it's been heated or it's actually bubbled and starting to pull away. If you're seeing any of that, you'll want to replace your cord right away. If the arcing that you may see up on here in these prongs is extensive and a lot of black, you'll not only want to replace your cord, but you'll want to replace the receptacle that it plugs into as well. And that's how to diagnose the cord on your dryer.
You cut it.